Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn programming algorithms step by step. Begin by mastering core data structures like arrays, linked lists, and hash tables. These are the building blocks for more complex algorithms. Next, familiarize yourself with fundamental algorithm types, including various sorting and searching methods. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to practicing these foundational concepts. Consistent practice is key to building a strong algorithmic intuition. Once you have a solid foundation, delve into advanced algorithmic paradigms. Explore dynamic programming, which solves problems by breaking them into smaller subproblems, and greedy algorithms, which make locally optimal choices. Understand graph algorithms such as Dijkstra's and Prim's. Crucially, learn to analyze algorithm efficiency using Big O notation, which helps predict performance for large datasets. Aim to solve at least 3 medium difficulty problems each week. Consistent problem solving is paramount for mastering algorithms. Utilize online platforms such as LeetCode or HackerRank, which offer thousands of challenges across various difficulty levels. Implement the algorithms yourself in a language you are comfortable with, like Python or Java. After solving a problem, always review other solutions to broaden your perspective and discover more efficient methods. Try to solve 5 to 7 problems weekly to maintain momentum. To further enhance your skills, explore advanced topics such as computational geometry, which deals with algorithms for geometric problems, or complex string algorithms. Participating in coding contests can significantly improve your problem-solving speed and accuracy under time constraints. Finally, apply your algorithmic knowledge to real-world projects. This practical application will solidify your understanding and demonstrate the immense value of efficient algorithms in software development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.